This is a short video just to show you how easy it is to install the Boler Scamp Hinge rebuild kits. They include a stainless steel nut, bolt, stainless steel spring, a brass ball, and two nylon isolation washers. So let's go onto the trailer and show you how easy it is to do it. So this is my Boler. We're going to start just by taking the old hinges apart. Two 7/16 inch wrenches, and just undo the nuts. For now, I'm going to leave the nut in, or the bolt in. We're going to take off the nut and the spring. And you want to take them both off. Notice the door is closed. This holds it all into place. With those off, just going to open the door carefully, grab the door and just lift it straight up, and the door comes off. What's left are the brass balls. Just pull them out, set them aside. Now we want to make sure these are as clean as we can get them. So we want to clean out the cups on the trailer as well as the door side. You can use solvent for this, but also if you don't have any solvent around, WD-40 works excellent for this. Oh, there's one done. We don't want any of the residue from the WD-40 left in there. Just wipe it out nice and dry. And we're going to do the same thing with the door. Let's just pull out the old bolts. We don't need those. And that's all there is to it. Just make sure they're nice and clean. With the kit, you get a small container of a Teflon-based synthetic lube. I've just got a larger jar of it here, and all we want to do is put just a little dab in each of the cups. So this includes the door hinge cup, as well as the door side and the trailer side. Then we're going to take the brass balls that come with the kit. We're just going to kind of line them up and set them right in the trailer side. Just like that. Okay, so what we have here now is the two bolts and nylon washers and the spring. So I'm just going to undo the nut. Good place to put it, right there on the ledge, built-in table. If you notice, I know you're far away, but I've got one of the bolts, each bolt, and I've got a nylon isolation washer right up against the head of the bolt. Now what we do is we take the door. Sometimes it's easier if you have somebody to help you. Carefully lower it onto the ball, and then just push the bolts down through. Just as simple as that. Now what I want to do is take a spring, put the spring on next, followed by the second nylon washer, and finally the lock nut. Just do it finger tight until we get the other side together here. Again, just taking out a little bit extra grease to squeeze through the spring, the nylon washer, and finally the lock nut. Two 7/16 wrenches, and all we want to do is tighten these until the end of the bolt is just through. We want to make sure that there's a space between each spring coil, at least the thickness of the spring wire itself. There we go. Okay. And check it for close. That's how easy it is to replace your hinge pins.